Happy Thursday, everyone. Before you buy a car, look at the history of the car using www.carfax.com, or you can use Experian Auto Check. Before you buy a car, look at the history of the car. You can use the VIN of the car to look at the history. The VIN is the vehicle identification number. If you want, ask a mechanic to look at the car before you buy the car. Again, before you buy a car, use www.carfax.com or Experian Auto Check to look at the history of the car. Be careful if you buy a car that was in an accident. Have a great Thursday. Bye bye.